Squeegee Techniques. Different forms and sizes of windows require the use of various size T-bars, as well as different sizes of window squeegees. It is not uncommon to use 2 or more different sizes when cleaning windows on a commercial facility or a home. Let's begin by showing you how to clean French window panes, commonly called cut-ups. Begin by selecting a 6 or 8-inch T-bar and squeegee. Start by moving the squeegee across the window with the top leading edge moving to the opposite corner. Then dropping the squeegee to the bottom of the window. When you've reached the bottom of the glass, move the bottom of the squeegee to the far corner of the glass. All that is left to do is detail the window with a dry towel. Here's another squeegee technique. The leading edge of the squeegee moves the water to the opposite side of the glass, allowing the water to run down to the wet side of the glass. Cutting the mountain, or fanning, is a method to quickly clean glass surfaces without removing the squeegee from the glass. There are various methods of cutting the mountain. However, in each method, you'll notice that the leading edge of the squeegee is tilted toward the dry side of the glass, forcing the water to run toward the wet side of the glass surface. This is accomplished by rotating your wrist. When cleaning the window, it's always best to leave a 1 or 2 inch overlap. When moving the squeegee in a horizontal movement, or for that matter a vertical movement, you might be left with an area that's much smaller than your squeegee. When you attempt to squeegee too dry of an area, the squeegee will chatter, causing streaks. To solve this problem, try using the Harley method. This is done by putting less pressure on the dry portion of the glass, with more pressure on the wet side of the glass. There are times when you can't reach the top of the window by just a few inches without using a pole. If a pole is not handy, try grabbing the end of the T-bar to reach the top of the window. You can also use the same technique to squeegee the window by grabbing the end of the squeegee channel and putting a little pressure on the top part of the channel. With just a little practice, you can successfully accomplish this technique. Some professional window cleaners like to add more pressure to the glass by shortening the squeegee rubber, thus causing more tension on it. Notice how easily this is done by removing the clips from one end of the channel, pulling the squeegee rubber out, causing more tension on the squeegee rubber. Then trim off the excess. Another trick is to dog-ear the channel. This is done by using pliers to bend the end of the channel. When doing this, notice how the squeegee rubber lies at a sharper level to glass versus flatter angle. These methods are the choice of some, but not all, professional window cleaners. When detailing the window with a cloth or microfiber towel, wrap it across the end of the squeegee channel to reach the top of the window. Detail the window to about eye level, then remove the towel from the squeegee to detail the lower portion of the window. For higher windows, wrap the towel around the end of the telescopic pole in the same manner as using the squeegee channel. For the best results, always take time to completely detail the window.